To this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write your FAST program. So we're going to use the integrated development environment that comes with Python. So if you had successfully installed Python, you should have idle also installed with it. So I'll just go to idle and double click on it to open. So this is the screen that shows up when you open idle. So you have two options of writing your program. So if you want quick tests to whatever you're writing and to see instant results, you can write your program in this shell, idle shell. So for example, if I just wanted to see what's the results of adding 2 plus 2, and then I'll get the answer. So if I wanted to print something using the print function for displaying things on the screen, I can just say print, and then I say welcome, and then I will have to press enter so that I can see the results. So whenever I press enter, I can see the results of the statement I just written. So if you want quick execution of your statement, you can use the idle shell. So the other option, if you wanted to write a full screen and then run it later to see what it does, you can now go to file and create a new file. And then here you can write your code and then you will run it later. So for example, we wanted to write a code that will ask the user to input their names, and then it will display welcome with the user's name. So I can just write that particular code. So to be able to write the code, I'll create a variable. We'll explain what variables will be in later videos. So I'll create a variable named names, and then I'll use the built-in function called input to just prompt the user to enter the name. So just say enter your name. So that is the first line, and then I will take that particular variable name and print a personalized welcome message to that particular user. So I'll say welcome, and then I'll give a comma here, and then and a variable that stored the names that the user had entered. So we have this script that actually helps us to have a personalized message to the name that the user enters. So if you want to see the output, we'll just click on run and say run module. It asks us to save. We say okay, and then it will prompt us to give a name to this particular program. So I'll just give a name, let's say test1, and then I can save it in the desktop. So I can just say test1, saved it in the desktop, and then I click save. So so now it will open the shell, and now it requires you to enter your name. So I'll just say my name is Selena, and then we can see the personalized message being written there. Say welcome Selena. So that is it for running your FAST program, and you can try it and see what you get. We'll see you in the next video.